A warm welcome to everyone, my dear students and my viewers. Today's topic of discussion is homeopathic remedies for varicose veins. Varicose veins are enlarged, swollen and twisting veins often appearing blue or dark purple. They happen when faulty valves in the veins allow the blood to flow in the wrong direction or to pull. Now the important medicines for varicose veins. Calcarea carb. For painless varicose veins, Calcarea carb is an excellent remedy for varicose vein. It is useful for varicose vein that are painless and appear only as prominent veins on the legs. Burning sensation may be present in few cases. A marked coldness in feet, excessive sweat on feet and varicose vein on the legs and thighs. Second remedy is fluoric acid. The most characteristic feature to use fluoric acid is painful varicose vein in the legs that are made worse by warmth. Fluoric acid is used to treat long-standing obstinate cases of varicose vein and useful for varicose ulcers with red margins. Pain is intense. When pain is relieved by cold application. Apis is used for varicose vein when there is stinging pains. And there is stinging pain present in affected area with burning sensation and marked sensitiveness of leg. In a few cases, lower limb feel tired, bruised and heavy as lead. Along with swelling is also present with inflamed veins. Graphitis is highly recommended remedy for varicose vein attendant with itching, and along with little pimples may be present on the surrounding skin surface. There is marked dryness. Other attending features are restlessness, heaviness and tensed feeling in legs. The tensed feeling gets worsened upon extending the legs. A congestion feeling in legs and feet on standing may also be present. Vipera is well indicated remedy for varicose veins with marked busting feeling in the legs. A pain of unbearable nature that gets worse on hanging down the legs is present. Elevating the legs brings relief. Severe cramping pain in legs is also present, along with swelling and tender veins, and blueness of overlying skin is highly indicative of using this medicine, Vipera. Next remedy is Millefolium. It is prepared from a plant named yellow of the family Composite. Millefolium is an effective remedy for varicose veins arising during pregnancy. It works well in cases of both painful and painless varicose veins. A drawing pain is most prominent present in legs. It is also suitable for varicose veins that breaks and bleeds. Lachesis is a wonderful remedy for treating varicose ulcers. Ulcers with bluish purplish surroundings. There is thin offensive discharges from the ulcer. Pus discharges may also be there. Bleeding may arise from the ulcers and an intense burning sensation may be present. There is extreme pain with high sensitivity to touch on the ulcer. Applying balm to the ulcers help relieve the pain. Itching that gets noticeably gets worsened after the sleeping is another characteristic feature. Zincomet is effective remedy for large varicose veins on legs. A tight, full congested feeling in the leg is prominent. Tearing pain with formication. Sensation like insects crawling over the skin. And there is heaviness and uneasiness in the legs, with constant motion and sweat on the lower limbs. Arsenic album is used in swollen legs with burning sensation and uneasiness in the legs. The uneasy feeling in the legs makes the person change the position of the legs, so there is marked restlessness. And the burning sensation in most cases is worse during the night. Warm application over the legs may often relieve. Fever, extreme weakness and stabbing pains on the legs are other symptoms. Arsenic album is also useful in varicose ulcers with a grey crust and inflamed borders. The last remedy is Carbovage, prominently indicated remedy for spider veins. The veins appear reddish-bluish. Skin feels cold and sweaty with marked itching that get worsened during the evening. There is also bleeding.